Okay, so here's Cache River right now. Where the river normally is right down there at that telephone pole. And that's up quite a bit. It's probably about waist deep at that telephone pole right now. I hope I don't get run over out here. I mean, nobody comes out here in like forever. But I got some limb lines up here around this, there's a ditch right there around the side of the road. But you can see the current. I can't fight that current and put out my limb lines by myself, so I'm gonna have to back them up in that backwater, which probably would even be better. But they just announced a thunderstorm warning for us. Looks like rapids down there. Gotta make sure there ain't a car coming down here. Okay. But you can see that debris right there. It's new. And sure would hate to drop my phone in the river. I'm just gonna hold it out there, but that's new too. So, and there's just enough room to get under this bridge for me to launch my boat and get under this bridge and go back up in there. But you can see how much that current is there. Even though I got 9.9 and a 14-foot boat, well, it's still tough to hold it up there to my line. And here comes somebody. I gotta move it. All right, just thought I'd give y'all a look there.
When he started sweet talking to me, he come and tell me everything is alright. He kissed and tell me everything's alright. Can I get away again tonight? The only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me.
There's some irrigation equipment that got blowed over.
He was, Lord, he was. Yes, he was.
I hadn't heard if it was a tornado or just high winds, but whatever it was. And then right up here blew down a couple of telephone poles. That thing was pretty long. And here's where the base is. So you can tell it's, well, I don't know if you can or not, but you can tell it's kind of bent back. Look in the rear view. See that angle there? I was going to show you. I got to get out here. I got the boat here. I'm pulling the boat. I don't want to. I guess I could have pulled in here. I was going to show you this man's corn. Just acres and acres of it, man. There again, I don't know if you can tell it real good on here, but I think I'm fixing to get back in the truck and get on my way home, but you can tell, and all through there, I mean, yeah, there's some more, there's lightning all around. I think I'll get back in the truck, y'all, but anyway, I think you can tell that, man, that crop is just, I don't know, maybe they can salvage some, but it's gonna be tough. And this other thing was right down here. Lost a couple telephone poles. Snapped them over. I don't know if you can tell where that line's hanging down there. Anyway, y'all, my wife's messaging me asking me if I was off the river, but I hope everybody stays safe. And I don't know, they're talking about tornado warnings for us till 7 o'clock tonight. Anyway, alright y'all, later on, see ya. Right here is where them lines are down, where them telephone poles broke. And you can see out there, man, right in here, probably the loss of corn was worse right here. So whatever it was, probably come right over this way. And my double wide trailer trash, it's about, I don't know, 3 miles south of where we're at right here. So good Lord was looking out for us. So alright, I think I'm really gonna go this time. Bye.